pressure you hard, remember this, trust like Hezekiah and watch God move. 2 Kings 18:5-7. Hezekiah trust, whole heart, whole soul, no half believe him, fully let go. He no trust in a power, he no trust in a fame, but in trust in a God will never change the same. No inner numbers, no inner man's might, but inner the Lord will guide him right. Him never bend when pressure rise, him stand firm with steady eyes. Him never shake when war draw near, him choose for trust, no giving to fear. And the Lord was with him every day, guiding him steps along the way. And everything when put in hand pan, start to grow just like God's plan. Cause success no born in man alone, it born from trust in God alone. And it start with peace, it start with faith when you stop rush and learn to wait. So hear this truth, hold it tight. God walk with those who trust him right. No inner them we have it figured, but the one we trust him bigger. When fear get loud, when road get rough, still trust God when things get tough. When doors them close and hope feels small, still trust God him overall. Cause Hezekiah show the secret plain. In trust God and in show say it never go in vain. Him will never lean pan man view, but pan the one we carry him through. And God never fail him yet. Every promise God has set. So hold on firm, no backslide now. Gotta go show you to do it same somehow. No give up when the night get long. Your weakness still can't turn to strong. So rise up bold, stand upright, walk by faith, not only by sight. Be like Hezekiah, strong and true, and watch what God will do through you.